Why feelings develop differently for women. How long does it take for a woman to develop feelings? The truth is, it's not about time, it's about emotion. You might think she needs weeks or months, but in reality, a single moment can change everything. Most men wait, hoping she'll catch feelings over time, but the ones who truly understand female psychology know how to trigger deep emotions instantly. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes a woman fall fast and how to make sure it's for you. 1. The instant spark versus gradual attraction. Many people assume that a woman either feels something for you instantly or she never will, but that's not true. Attraction doesn't always strike like lightning. It can also develop slowly over time. A woman can be drawn to a man in two main ways. Instant chemistry. This is when she feels a strong pull towards you from the start, often based on physical attraction, energy, or confidence. Gradual emotional connection. This happens over time through meaningful interactions, shared experiences, and emotional trust. While some women experience an immediate spark, that alone doesn't guarantee lasting feelings. The real emotional depth comes from consistent positive experiences that reinforce the initial attraction. It starts subtly. At first, she might feel curious about you. Then she becomes comfortable in your presence. Eventually, she realizes she wants you in her life, not just for fun, but because she values the way you make her feel. Feelings don't just appear out of nowhere, they're built, and the more powerful your interactions, the faster her emotions develop. But here's where most men go wrong. They assume that attraction must happen immediately, and if it doesn't, they give up too soon. In reality, a woman's feelings can take weeks or even months to fully form, depending on the level of emotional investment she makes in you. So the real question isn't how long it takes, it's what you're doing during that time to make her feel something real. 2. The RO of emotional safety. A woman won't develop deep feelings unless she feels emotionally safe with you. This is something most men don't realize. You see, a woman's heart and mind operate differently than a man's, while men can. The emotional triggers that speed up attraction. Develop strong emotions for a woman based on looks and chemistry alone. Women need a deeper sense of trust and security before they let themselves fully fall for a man. Emotional safety is built through consistency, reliability, and emotional intelligence. It's not about being nice or agreeable. It's about being someone she can count on. Here's how to build emotional safety so she starts developing feelings faster. Be dependable. If you say you're going to do something, follow through. Flakiness kills attraction. Stay calm under pressure. A woman needs to see that you can handle stress challenges and her emotions without losing control. Listen to her deeply. Most men just wait for their turn to talk instead of truly listening. A woman starts falling when she feels heard and understood. A powerful sign that she's developing feelings is when she starts opening up emotionally. She'll tell you about her past, her insecurities, her fears. She'll share things she wouldn't tell just anyone. But here's the thing. If a woman doesn't feel emotionally safe with you, she might still enjoy your company, but she won't fully open her heart. And without that level of trust and security, her feelings will remain on the surface, never deepening into real emotional attachment. 3. Time spent together versus time apart. Here's a truth most men don't realize. Feelings don't just develop when you're around her, they grow when you're not around. Why? Because emotions are strongest when the mind has time to reflect. Think about it. When you're always present, there's no space for her to miss you, wonder about you, or replay moments in her head. But the moment you pull back a little, her emotions start intensifying. The right balance of presence and absence is key. Too much time together, and the excitement fades. Too much distance, and she loses emotional connection. Here's how to strike the right balance. Make your time together unforgettable. Create moments that make her feel alive, excited, and emotionally charged. Give her time to process Instead of always being available, allow her to miss your energy so she starts craving it. Watch for signs. She's thinking about you if she's reaching out more, reminiscing about past moments, or the role of scarcity and mystery in her feelings, finding excuses to talk to you. Her feelings are growing if you always chase her and give her all your time. She won't have space to feel your absence, but if you create the right moments and then pull back, she'll start feeling your presence even when you're not there. The power of subtle emotional triggers. A woman doesn't develop feelings just because you're around her. Emotions are triggered by specific psychological responses that make her feel attached. If you can activate these emotional triggers, her feelings for you will grow much faster. Here are 3 emotional triggers that accelerate the process. Mystery. Women are drawn to the unknown. If you're too predictable, she won't feel that emotional rush challenge. She values what she has to work for. If you make things too easy, she won't feel the same excitement. Emotional highs and lows. If you can create intense emotional moments, she'll start associating strong feelings with you. If these triggers are missing, she might like you but not crave you. The key: keep her on an emotional journey where she never fully knows what's coming next. 5. The role of desire versus emotional connection. Attraction and emotional connection are not the same thing. A woman might feel desire for you, but that doesn't mean she's developing real, lasting emotions. Here's the difference. Desire is based on excitement, physical attraction, and fun. Emotional connection is built through trust, shared experiences, and vulnerability. Most men focus only on attraction. They make her laugh, they flirt, they create excitement. But if there's no deeper emotional bond, her feelings won't grow. For a woman to truly fall for you, she needs to feel like you're someone she can't replace. And that only happens when she starts investing emotionally, not just physically. The moment she starts thinking about you when you're not around, missing your presence and craving your energy, that's when her feelings become real. 6. The impact of social influence on her feelings. A woman's emotions are never developed in isolation. They are shaped by her social environment, cultural conditioning, and the opinions of the people around her. Unlike men who often develop attraction based on direct experience and one-on-one interactions. How women test men before letting their feelings grow. Women subconsciously seek external validation before fully allowing themselves to fall for someone. This means her friends, family, and even social media can influence how quickly or slowly she develops feelings for you. Here's why social influence plays a massive role in a woman's emotions. If her friends admire and approve of you, her attraction towards you grows faster because she feels safe and validated in liking you. If other women desire you, it ignites a subconscious sense of competition, making her feel like she must win your attention before someone else does. If society portrays your type of personality as high value, she naturally associates you with those positive traits, accelerating her emotional investment. In short, a woman's perception of your desirability isn't just about who you are, it's about how the world around her reacts to you. This is why social proof is so powerful. If you're seen as a leader, a man in demand, or someone others respect, her emotions will attach to you faster, because her environment is reinforcing your value. On the flip side, if she hears negative things about you or sees that you are too easily available without challenge, her feelings might develop much slower or even fade away. The key is to become the type of man that others admire and respect, because that respect will amplify her emotions for you. 7. The science of emotional imprinting. Have you ever smelled a certain perfume and instantly remembered someone from years ago, or heard a song that brought back powerful emotions from your past? That's because emotions don't just fade away. They get imprinted into our minds, connecting to specific people, places, and experiences. Women especially are highly emotional creatures, and their attraction develops when a man becomes linked to the strongest emotions they experience. This is why some women fall hard and fast, while others seem emotionally detached and distant. It all depends on how deeply her emotions have been imprinted onto you. Here's how to make her develop feelings faster through emotional imprinting. Create unforgettable moments. If every interaction with you is exciting, unpredictable, and emotionally rich, she will start associating you with deep emotions. Engage her senses. The more physical experiences tied to you, the way you smell, your voice, your touch, the stronger her emotional connection will become. Be part of her peak experiences. If you're with her during big life moments, deep conversations, or intense emotions, you become etched into. Why some women resist their own emotions. Her memory. A woman doesn't fall for a man. She falls for the way she feels when she's around him. If you make her laugh, feel safe, and experience adventure, she will develop feelings faster because you have been emotionally imprinted into her mind. But if your interactions are repetitive, predictable, or lack emotional depth, her feelings might never fully develop. 8. How her past experiences shape her emotional timeline. One of the biggest reasons why some women fall in love quickly, while others take months or even years, is because their past shapes their present emotional experience. Think about it. A woman who has been deeply hurt before will build walls around her emotions, while a woman who has always been treated well might trust and open up more easily. Here's how her past can affect her emotional development timeline. If she has been betrayed or cheated on, she will be more cautious, take longer to trust and hesitate before allowing emotions to build. If she has a history of casual relationships, she might not develop strong emotions at all unless she sees you as different and truly valuable. If she has experienced deep, passionate love before, she will compare you to past relationships, either making her develop feelings quickly or struggle to reconnect. A woman's emotions don't develop in a vacuum. They are shaped by the emotional wounds and experiences she carries from her past. If you want her to develop feelings for you sooner, you have to create a fresh emotional experience that stands out from everything she's been through. 9. The turning point where feelings become permanent. Every woman reaches a tipping point where her emotions shift from casual attraction to deep emotional attachment. Before this point, she might enjoy your company, feel excited by your presence, and even have moments of passion. But the moment her emotions become permanent, she no longer sees you as just an option. She sees you as someone she doesn't want to lose. What triggers this turning point? A deep emotional experience. If she shares vulnerabilities, fears, and secrets with you, she will feel emotionally bonded. The fear of losing you. If she realizes you are not easily available, not desperate, and have your own life, her emotions will. The secret to making her emotionally invested: intensify a powerful shared memory. When a woman experiences something unforgettable with you, her mind attaches to that moment, making her emotions feel permanent. This is why rushing emotions is a mistake. Feelings don't grow because of logic. They grow because of meaningful experience. As if you want a woman's feelings to last, focus on creating memories that she will never forget. 10. The final factor, the power of walking away. The most ironic part of emotional attraction is that a woman's strongest feelings often develop after you pull away, when you are always available, always chasing, and always giving attention. A woman never feels urgency to fully develop her emotions, but when she senses that you could walk away at any moment, she starts evaluating her true feelings. Here's why pulling away intensifies a woman's emotions. Scarcity creates value when something is always available. It loses its impact. Absence creates longing when you're not around as much. She has time to think about you, miss you, and crave your presence. it triggers fear of loss. If she starts feeling that she might lose you, she will begin deeply investing in the relationship. Women don't develop strong, lasting feelings for men who are too easy to get. They develop emotions for men who are valuable, hard to replace, and confident enough to walk away when necessary. That's the final secret to making her develop real, lasting emotions for you. Why some women fight their own feelings for you. Here's something most men don't realize. A woman can be falling for you deeply, yet she might resist her own feelings. She may act distant, confusing, or even cold. But it's not because she doesn't care. It's because she fears the intensity of her emotions. Why does this happen? She has been hurt before. If a woman has been emotionally burned in the past, she will subconsciously protect herself from getting hurt again. She values her independence. Some women fear that falling too fast means losing control of their emotions, making them hesitate before fully giving in. She doesn't want to appear weak. Many women have been taught to hide their emotions to avoid looking desperate or needy. She wants to test you. Women test men all the time. If she sees that you remain calm, secure, and patient, she will respect you more. And the psychology of chasing and why it backfires naturally open up. So how do you handle this? Simple. Don't push her. The moment you pressure a woman into showing her emotions, she will shut down or pull away. Instead, let her emotions build on their own. When she sees that you are stable, confident, and unaffected by her mixed signals, she will start trusting her own feelings and let them grow stronger. 12. Why women test you before letting their feelings grow. Women don't just develop feelings for a man. They test him first. Before a woman fully allows herself to fall for you, she will subconsciously test your emotional strength to see if you are truly worth her investment. How do women test men? She pulls away to see how you react. If you chase her, she will feel you're too needy. But if you stay calm and detached, she will trust your strength and feel more attracted. She acts difficult or moody. This isn't to be cruel. It's a subconscious way of seeing. If you can handle her emotions without getting reactive, she ignores your texts or takes longer to reply. If you get emotional upset or desperate, she will see you as weak, but if you remain unbothered, her respect for you grows. She asks about other women. She might say things like, "I bet you talk to a lot of girls, don't you?" This is a way of testing. If you are truly confident in yourself, a woman needs to feel that the man she's falling for is emotionally solid. The key to passing every test is one thing: never overreact. When she sees that nothing shakes you, her feelings will develop naturally because she knows she is dealing with a rare kind of man, one who is in full control of himself. 13. How your energy affects how fast she falls for you. Men often focus on what they say, but what really matters is the energy they bring. A woman doesn't just fall for your words, she falls for how you make her feel. Your energy determines her attraction. A confident, calm energy makes her feel safe. If your presence is relaxed, in control, and grounded, she will develop feelings faster because she, final thoughts, and the next step feels secure around you. An unpredictable, mysterious energy keeps her intrigued. Women love men who keep them guessing. If you are too predictable, she loses emotional excitement. A fun, playful energy triggers her emotions. If she is laughing, smiling, and having fun with you, her emotions attach faster than any deep conversation could. The truth is, women are extremely sensitive to energy. If you give off needy, desperate, or anxious vibes, she will sense it instantly and slow down her emotional attachment. But if your energy is relaxed, secure, and in full control, she will develop deep emotions much faster, without even realizing why. Now you know exactly what happens when a woman starts to develop feelings, so use this knowledge wisely. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, and if you want to master the psychology of attraction, make sure to subscribe. You'll probably want to check out the next video on your screen. it dives even deeper. See you there.